Assalamu alaikum everyone. Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. Today with one of the important letters in Arabic, which is Hamza. Hamza. Let's see first how to write it. Just draw this little symbol. Very easy to write. It's look like the little mark we are putting inside the hook of letter Kaf. In Arabic, Hamza is heard and written. Okay, how to pronounce it? It's literally a glottal stop. Pronounce it as a catch in the throat by holding the breath and suddenly releasing it. Same sound of letter T in the British English by replacing the T with a glottal stop. As in the word not, they say not. The word hot, they say hot. This is exactly the Hamza sound in Arabic, a glottal stop. There are two types of Hamza. Cutting Hamza, in Arabic, Hamzatul Qatta', cutting Hamza, and connecting Hamza, in Arabic, Hamzatul Wasl, connecting Hamza. Let's start with the cutting Hamza, which is the glottal stop sound. There are 6 different positions of writing the cutting Hamza or Hamzatul Qatta'. On top of letter Alif with short vowel Fatha or Dhamma as A or U sound. Below letter Alif with short vowel Kasra as E sound. On top of letter Waw, on top of letter Ya, on top of dotless Ya, we call it in Arabic Nabira, or by its own, just like that on the line. If Hamza comes as the first letter in the word, we will write it only with Alif. We cannot write it with Waw or Ya. But if Hamza comes in the middle of the word, we can write it with all the previous 6 positions, as in these words. Ya'mal. Ya'mal means hope. Al-imtihan. Al-imtihan means the exam. Su'al. Su'al means a question. Shati'. Shati' means beach. Mi'ah. Mi'ah means 100. Juz'in. Juz'in means part. Notice, guys, that Alif, Waw, Ya, and dotless Ya is just chairs or seats for Hamza and has no effect while reading, in both cases, stopping or connecting. For example, when the seat of Hamza is letter Waw, same as in the word mu'min, the sound of Hamza is just glottal stop, oh, oh. So we say mu'min. The letter Waw has no effect here in pronunciation. Another example, the word jaru'a. Jaru'a. While connecting, I will say jaru'a. But while stopping, I will say jaru'. Jaru' with sukoon, and the Waw has nothing to do with pronunciation. The Hamza can come with all vowels, with Fatha as A, with Dhamma as U, with Kasra as E, with Sukoon, just a glottal stop, no vowel, with Tanween, An, In, Un. But doubling the Hamza comes with few words in Arabic, as in the word tara'as, tara'as, doubling Hamza. I'm going now to explain the Hamza with sukoon because it's a little bit different. The right way to pronounce Hamza with sukoon is to hold your breath while saying it. then suddenly release it. As in the word يسأل, يسأل. Holding the breath, then release it. يسأل. The Hamza is a light sound, never to be heavy. Some people make mistakes if Hamza preceded by one of the 7 heavy letters and they pronounce it as heavy. Same as in the word أغنى, أغنى. We don't say أغنى. It's light Hamza. أغنى. Another word, رأى, not رأى. It's رأى. Another mistake that Hamza has no echoing sound. We call it in Arabic قلقلة. So we don't say, for example, بئس. It's بئس. No echoing sound in Hamza. Another mistake that to make it silent, for example, we don't say مساء means evening. We should say مساء, مساء, مساء. The Hamza, it should be a clear glottal stop at the end, not silent. The Hamza never to be written between 2 alif. So if Hamza preceded by alif, we will not write alif after it, such as in the word ضياءً, ضياءً. We cannot write the alif after it because it's preceded by alif. But if Hamza not preceded by alif, we will write alif after it, such as in the word سوءً. Here we have to add the alif at the end of the word. The second type of Hamza is the connecting Hamza, or Hamzatul Wasl. It's an extra alif, always comes at the beginning of the word. It's written without Hamza symbol, just alif. We are adding it to the beginning of the word to avoid starting the word with second letter. I mean letter with no vowel. When we start reading with connecting Hamza, we must pronounce it. But if we are going to connect the word that starts with Hamzatul Wasl with another word preceded it, we will not pronounce it. Example, the word istakhraj means to extract. When I start with connecting Hamza, I pronounced it, istakhraj. But if it's preceded by another word, we will not pronounce it, such as man istakhraj, man istakhraj. Here, we neglected pronouncing the connecting Hamza. More examples for connecting Hamza or Hamzatul Wasl, such as the words ibn means son, ibna means daughter, ittihad means union, ithnan means 2, number 2, and so on. For the connecting Hamza or Hamzatul Wasl, there are many cases for writing it. In the names, in the verbs, some cases we must remove it, and also so many cases for cutting Hamza or Hamzatul Qata. How to write it in the middle of the word, how to write it at the end of the word, when to write it on top of ya or waw or alif or by its own on the line. All these cases and more will be explained, inshallah, in the advanced level. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.